is usual in jump cases of suicide attempts when they jump, that they take off their shoes. And it was apparent in that moment, and I think her shoes were separate from the body. Tinanggal niya talaga sapatos niya bago siya tumalon. So it shows the psychological patterns of a jump suicide.
Initially, yung driver ay person of interest. Pero after na investigation, off the hook na po siya sa...
Yes, he is still a person of interest. We still have to get to the background, but to our investigation so far, we see no conclusive links with him and the fall of Yusek Cabral.
Good morning po. Kay Commissioner po muna. Kay Commissioner, ano po yung mga diniscuss natin na 6 cases kahit pahapyaw lang po? Kasama po ba dito yung kay Atong Ang, yung involvement po ng mga pulis natin?
Yung case tukol doon sa Sabongeros, like we mentioned many times ago, that has already been deliberated. So we are ready to release the decision anytime. Nung nagsabi tayo na all new cases are finished within 60 days, we delivered on that promise. 60 days ready kami. But there are reasons why we are not yet officially releasing the decision on the policemen allegedly involved in the Sabongeros case. Maybe yung taong bayan maintindihan nila once we release the decision. Hinahinay lang po. Basta pangako po ng buong nabisyo. Yun po ang justisya na kailangan po na maintindihan ng ordinaryong tao. Naintindihan po ng pulis eh. Pero sa ordinaryong tao, dapat nila maintindihan na, kaya po sinabi ni Secretary Rimulya na ating SILG, may justisya po sa NAPOLCOP at buhay na buhay po ang National Police Commission.
Okay, salamat po. Kay Sec naman po.
Yes.
Po. Sec, ano po ba yung naging pakay po kay Yusek Cabral? Ano naging pakay po ni Yusek sa pagpunta po doon sa Baguio or sa Benguet?
Ay, siya naman ang kasabi nun eh. It is usual in the psychological makeup of suicide attempts that they go where they are most tormented. So, for young people, it usually happens in schools because of grades. For that 15-year-old range, it's if it's love, then they do something else. But in this case, where I think we see a pattern of torment for her because of the rock netting cases in Benguet, which will, I think, down the road will implicate her and the congressman and the contractors who implemented the project.
So, ibig sabihin po, dun po yung isa sa mga ghost project?
Hindi siya ghost, severely overpriced. Kasi yung rock netting is only 325 pesos per square meter and they sold it to the government for 1,400 pesos per square meter. So, lalabas at lalabas yun.
Ko-confirm ko lang din po, meron pong inilabas si Congressman Erice. Ang sabi po niya, ang naging pakay po doon ay para po maningil ng utang sa isang contractor. Na-verify na po ba natin ito?
Hindi ang lahat ng CCTV ay umakyat siya diretso sa hotel room, kumain, tapos bumaba na kagad. So wala siyang kinusap so far, wala kaming nakitang may kinusap na iba.
Nauna na pong nag-search ang NBI po doon sa lugar. Meron daw pong nakita na kutsilyo at medicine sa loob po ng kwarto po niya.
Maybe Chief Natates can answer.
Yes, as to the items left at the hotel room, particularly at Ion Hotel, the National Bureau of Investigation have applied for search warrant to secure what are the items inside that hotel room para makuha, no? Kasi dun yung huling pinuntahan niya ni Cabral. And together with the NBI together with the CID.
Good morning po. Kay Chief PNP. Chief, i-follow up ko lang yung recover na knife. Anong significance sa kaso po? Ano possibly intent ng knife dun sa...
Well, kung if we're talking about the knife or the items that were recovered, yung knife for self-protection or panggamit niya lang inside the bag. While the medications, we secure that, we put that into study. That's why the
Feeling niyo po ay hindi ho tama ang desisyon ng NAPOLCOM and bank. Ito po ay pwede niyo pong i-MR muna sa amin, after which pwede po kayo mag-file ng appeal afterwards.
Kay Secretary, isang question lang po. Okay. Secretary, binabanggit po ng abogado ni Madriaga na si VP Sara ay pumunta sa BJMP. Sa inyo ho ba, napacheck nyo na po ba sa BJMP kung merong CCTV, merong visitation
Yes.
documents, kung pumunta ba talaga si VP Sara sa BJMP sa Camp Bagong Diwa?
Pumunta siya ron pero kinausap niya si Arnie Tevez. Hindi si Madriaga.
Si Arlie Tevez.
Si Arnie Tevez ang kausap.
May CCTV po nung footage.
I think so. May records yung warden, pinakita. The warden was there present during the meeting. Wala naman daw pinag-usapan masyado, kundi nagkumustahan lang. So, that was the extent of the report to me.
That was October 19? Tama ho ba?
I think so, yes. Yes.
Thank you very much po.
Any more questions, please? May pahabol ako. Okay. Sir, yung autopsy result po ni Yuse Cabral, na-embalsa mo na po pala yung katawan bago pa po siya ma-autopsy dahil nga nauna pong kunin ng family. May epekto po ba yun dun sa possible evidence na ma-gather natin since embalsa mo na po siya?
Hindi naman, kasi ang embalsama naman the cause of death was not drug related. It was not caused. It was caused by a fall, and no embalming process can change the evidence present.
Okay, thank you po.
Sir, nung nakaraang linggo, sabi niyo po kahit na after ito nung nawala si Undersecretary Cabral, sa kabila ng kamatayan, hindi hinto yung, I'm paraphrasing your words, sir. Hindi hinto yung paggulong ng justisya at babawiin yung mga pera, buhay man o patay. Sir, ang question ko po is, can you give us a picture? Gaano po ba kayaman si...
I think it's better for the ombudsman to answer that. Siya kasi ang may direct access to the files at siya ang